Hello everyone. So this video will be on class 10 on chapter AP Arithmetic Progression. So the question goes, the 7th term of an AP is minus 4 and its 13th term is minus 16. So find the AP. So this question has been repeated in 2014 as well as in 2017. So this will be an important question for you. General formula for AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. So now let's find the AP. Now an, the nth term, is given as A of 7, that is nothing but 6th term. So A into n minus 1, that is 6th term, will be A plus n, that is 6D. So now 7th term is nothing but A of n minus 1, that is A of 6 term A of an AP. And similarly, now we have 13th term. What is 13th term? So 13th term will be A of 12, that is A plus 12D, same as we did for 7th term. So taking it as equation 2 and equation 1, now we will be subtracting 2 from 1. So subtracting 2 from 1 gives us A plus 12D minus, so brackets are important one, so minus A plus 6D, and we have in RHS as minus 8 and minus 16. So minus 4 and minus 8. So minus 4 and minus 8, we will be writing it in the RHS. And now substituting it, A plus 12D, taking out the minus sign, A minus 6D, and plus 4, minus 4 and minus 8 will be minus 12. So minus 12, A and A gets cancelled, plus 12D minus 6D will be 6D minus 12. So D will be minus 12 by 6, that is nothing but minus 2. So now we got the difference as minus 2, and A we have to find it out now, and D will be minus 2. Then so you have to find AP. This is not the final answer. You have to find AP for given D. So substituting D in the equation, you can find A plus 6D, that is D is nothing but minus 2. So it will be RHS is minus 4. A plus 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 minus 4 as it is. A is minus 4 plus 12, that will be plus 8. So now we have got A, that is 8, and D, that is minus 2. Now it's easy for us to find AP and go on finding the AP. For online classes, contact us. Thank you.